Intent filters are the other side of intents. Intent filters allow an application or component to say what it can do. We can define intent filters in the manifest file for an application to let the Android operating system know that certain parts of our application can fulfill certain requests that our own app might make or other apps might make. An intent filter might say something like, I can take a picture or I can scan barcodes. Intent filters can be set up on a specific action that is specified by an intent, like in making a phone call, a category of components that should fulfill the request, like a web browser, and a specific type of data for the intent, like something that can handle an image or a video file. Applications can also be set up to have multiple intent filters, so your application may be able to respond to many different kinds of intents. Again, don't worry about all the details just yet. The important thing to know here is that intents say what they want done and intent filters say what they can do. Here's a simplified example of how intents work. Suppose you launch Joe's Travel app, and in Joe's Travel app, there's some functionality to take a picture. Only problem is, Joe wasn't very good at designing a picture-taking activity. So he decided to fire off an intent that says, I want to take a picture whenever the user selected that option, figuring that users would have some application or action installed on the device that should be able to take a picture. Well, you just happen to have Amy's awesome camera app installed in your Android phone as well. And it happens to have an intent filter that says, I can take pictures. Even though Joe and Amy never met and never intended for their applications to work together, through the use of intents, you can take a picture with Amy's camera app and it can be used in Joe's travel app.